Okay. So last class we had discussed what are the loops, right? Yesterday we discussed what is simple if condition, if else condition, and a ladder if condition, nested if condition. How to check so if condition. So any doubt, Karthik?
No, sir.
So today we'll see mostly how to create file, and this is the file test options. So generally, if you want to create any file, so generally if you want to create any file in Linux also we see, right, find command we are using hyphen f files, hyphen d that is only directories, hyphen l means only linked files. Already in Linux there is one command, right, find command. Same way, same thing if you want to find in shell scripting. So we are using these are the arguments we have to pass. Hyphen e means returns true if file and directory exist. If already file and directory existing, it returns true. We need to use hyphen e. Hyphen f means it returns true if file is regular file. If file is regular file, that is normal file. So we need to use hyphen f. If hyphen d means it will checking whether that file is directory or not. That file is a directory or not. If the file is directory or not. So L means it returns true if the file is linked file. You know, right? What is difference between hard link file and soft link file? Hard link file and soft link file. So for that case, mostly we are using. So these are the options. So these are the file options. File or directory, whatever it may be. So first, before that, let's open your connect my Linux machine, AWS console again, and go to here, click on sign into console on here, 1 6. Okay. Now, yesterday already, this is our file, right? Which environment is not Virginia, and go to here, and this is go to EC2 instances, go to EC2 instances, go to EC2 instances, click on instances. This is our mission, right? Linux. Okay. Action state start instance. Okay. Now let me connect this instance. Now these are the options. So if you want to check whether file that is if the file is if you create any file or directory, if you want to return a true or false, hyphen e, and we want to check that is regular file, or if you want to check it, hyphen f, if you want to check that is directory and is hyphen d. So these are the some basic things. Now see here, and so let me execute one by one now how it will work. So one interview also they asked how to check whether that file is available or not. Whether that file is available or not, how to check it. So if you want to check, so these are the hyphen e, hyphen f, hyphen d. We need to use mostly these things. So where is that one PM file? Okay, go to here, go to open get bash, paste it. Okay. So now control plus plus. Now ls. Now, so I am creating one file. How to create a touch space? For example, so devaps.txt file. Devaps.txt file. So this is a which file, Karthik? Regular file or a linked file?
A regular file,
Regular
sir.
file. If you use ls command, if you use ll means these are the regular file. See here, devaps.txt. This is the hyphen. There is no linked files and all. This is the regular file only. Okay. Now I want to check this particular directory. This file is available or not. I want to check it whether this file is available or not. So if you want to check it, so what is the option? Hyphen E. This is the file options. Returns true if file or directory exists. If already it is available, it is written true. If file is not existing, it returns false. Now first we create one file, check. So vi, see here, vi file dot txt ss file. Just a shell script. Insert as explanatory same story. Bin slash bash and just read the file name. Read. How to read dynamically? You know, right? So read hyphen p path and so enter file name. Enter file name. Just I give one variable name is f name. That is the f name. So now just print it. See here. Echo file name is okay. Now how to print dollar f name. Now just I given one file name dynamically runtime. I am giving one file name while running this script. I am it is asking enter file name. I am passing any file name. Just I am printing. See here how it will work. Now see here bin slash bash space dot slash file name file dot sh file dot sh. Okay. Now it is asking file name. Enter file name. Now I given so dev dot txt whatever you want we can. It is printing that file name. Now here no doubt. So test dot txt. Now whatever we are passing just I printed. I want to verify whether this file is available or not. Whether this file is available or not. Now vi file dot sh. Now insert. I want to check. So how to check if condition? If how to check if condition? How to check if condition? If dollar f name. Okay. So we want to check it, right? So these are the options. Hyphen means it returns true. So how to check it? See here. Hyphen e and file name. Hyphen e file name. Now I am using. So this and all same story. Then echo echo just whatever you want, we can pass. Else echo file not available. File not exist. Whatever you want. Okay. Next, how to close if statement? F5. So here it is started. Now I didn't use anything. If I run, it won't give anything. See here, if just I read the file name. What is the file name I am passing runtime? It is coming here, and then file is available or. So how to check whether that is available or not? So here we need to use hyphen e. What is this? Hyphen e. Hyphen e means if the file is available, it returns true. If condition is true, this statement will be executed. Else, if condition is false, this statement will be executed. Same if condition only. Clear? Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Now see slash bin bash slash file dot sh file dot sh. Now I'm giving so devaps dot txt. So devaps dot txt. Now see here file is available. That is I given some content echo statement, right? For your understanding purpose I given. Now I'm running same thing. I'm giving another file. For example, test.txt. If it is available, it will show. If it is not available, see here, file not available. So the particular path, if you want to check whether that file is available or not. So what is the syntax? Hyphen e. This is the file test options. If you want to test directory, anything, So these are the options. Okay. So based on this, we can try anything, whatever you want. So hyphen E means returns file are directly existing or not. Hyphen S means it returns true file is non-empty. Is non-empty. So my file is empty, right? So empty, non-empty means it returns true. If empty means it won't. If returns true, if file is regular file. Now I am checking, so it is file or whether that file is available or not. Same thing. See here, file. Now whether the given file is regular file or not. I want to check. Now I checked that file is available or not. Now that is regular file or not, I want to check it. So how to check it? Same program I am going to, same script I am going to modify. So insert. Now up to this, I hope everyone clear, right? Now here I am using one more if statement. I am going to use one more if statement. How to check Kartik? I want to check whether it is regular file or not. How to check? Regular file means if, what is the test arguments we need to pass? Hyphen F dollar F name. Same. Then directly also we can use here semicolon then also. Then and so then this is the, what is this? This is the regular file. This is the regular file. Echo. So whatever you want, we can print it like it is a regular file. A file is regular file. Okay. It is a regular file. Same thing. We can add multiple if statement. Regular file. Else we need to follow indentation. It is not regular file. It is not regular file. Now first I am checking file is available or not. It is not. Okay. Whatever you want, we can add it. This is not a regular file. Okay. So now one more if, right? How to close this if? F5. Okay. So here it started, here it is ended, here it is started, here it is ended. Now clear? Else echo whatever you want, we can print it. Here it is a special. Or if you want to check directory also. If you want to check directory also, we can use like this also. D means directory. I am checking both whether it is file or whether it is directory. I am writing all these things in same file. Okay. So L if, okay, I am using so directory. How to check that is directory or not? Hyphen D dollar F name. Whatever you are passing, it is directory. This is the if statement, right? Then if you use a semicolon, we can add then, or else we need to add next line only. Okay. So same. See here, else. Else it is a special file. It is a special file. We can use else close else. Now we can whatever you want. This is the else part. File or directory not available. Okay. Now any doubt? So instead of two lines, we can write single line also. We can write so single lines. If you use semicolon, we can use directly then also. Clear, Karthik? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
See, multiple if statements. See here, if first I am checking whatever we are passing here, I am checking then. So if it is available, and I am checking whether it is regular file or not. If hyphen F file name, hyphen F means it is checking whether it is a regular file or not. It is regular file. Else if I am checking whether it is directory or not. See here hyphen D. It is a directory. Else it is not a any file. It is not a file or directory, or directory file or does not. These are the echo statements. Whatever you want, we can write it here. These are the echo statements. Whatever you want, we can write it. Now check it. Escape colon X. Now go to here. Just run it. I am giving file name. I am giving file name. So what is file name? Dev apps dot txt. Dev apps dot txt. It is the regular file. It is the regular file. First part it is checking. That is the file is existing or not. If file is existing, I am checking whether it is regular file or not. Now I am giving so see here dot txt. See here file or directory not available. So first if part also else part is false. Now I'm giving let me create one directory. Then right now I don't have anything, right? Right now we don't have anything. LL I don't have any directory mkdir. I am giving one directory. For example, test directory. Test directory. This is file or directory. See here, this is the directory. You know this is directory, but how to verify in a script? We know this is the directory. First letter we can see D. D represents directory. Now how to check in script hyphen D. How to check in script hyphen D. Now I am giving a test. So first it is checking whether it is file or directory. See here something missing. Where it is missing line we are missing something. It is a now go to here line number 9 hyphen T VI VI VI. Okay, line. What is this? Now go to here. This is the line number D. Okay. Insert. Now go to here. This is file hyphen D. Okay. That's it. Space is missing. Escape colon X. Now go to here. Now I'm giving so test. So first it is checking. See here. It is a directory. How it is checking it is directory or not? So already we give a file.sh. Okay, now this part. First it is checking hyphen E existing or not. Yes, sir. It is a existing. Next it is checking this is file or not. This is a false statement. This is not a file. This is a directory, right? Now else if it is coming here, it is checking hyphen D. Hyphen D means dollar F name. Dollar F name hyphen D. It is checking directory. It is matched, right? Now it is printing here. So like this, so we are using, so mostly we are using, so this is also, one interview also they asked. So write a small shell script program, check whether that is file or directory. They are giving, they are giving, they are giving, they are giving, we are passing file name runtime, and so we want to check whether that is file or directory. If file is existing, that is file or directory. Now this is the script. Clear, Karthik? Any doubt here? This is the we need to use two if statement hyphen E and hyphen F. It is checking regular file. Hyphen D means directories. Remaining and all. So based on your requirement, we can add anything whatever you want. If you want to check linked file, hyphen L. If you want to check any special block and all, this and all we can use. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, so suppose I want to check, see here, cat space file name. So if file is exist, I want to display, they want to display the content. If file is exist, they want to display the content. Same program. So if you want to read hyphen R, so see here hyphen R file name cat space file name. That's it. Now got it. So if file is available, and next I want to print the content. They want to display the content. They want to display the content. They want to display the content. So that case, if you want to display the content, read, right? So what is the arguments you want to pass? Hyphen R. See here, returns true if current user has read permission. If that particular file has read permission, and automatically it will print. Suppose if you don't have read permission, see here, I am using cat space file dot, first clear the screen, LL. Now check it. So this is a file. So whether user has read permission or not. See here, read permission. Correct? Read. First one, read, right? Group. Others also read. For everyone have read permission. So that is the reason we can see cat space file dot sh or devaps.txt, right? Devaps.txt. Now we can see right now we don't have any data. Let me edit vi devaps.txt. Okay, insert. This is devaps.txt file. Just I typed something. Escape colon x. Okay. Now come to here cat space devaps.txt. Now we can read the data. Now I am removing the file read permission. Now we have read permission. See here this file we have read permission. How to remove permissions? ch mode u-x u-r file name devaps.txt. I remove the permission for whom user. Plus means add. Hyphen minus means remove. Now see here LL. Now do we have read permission for this file? Do we have read permission for this file? No, I removed this permission. Now see here cat space devaps.txt. See here what message we are getting. Clear, Karthik? So if file
Yes,
has
sir.
read permission, we can read the data. If file don't have read permission, we cannot permission denied. Let me apply. So that is the reason we need to use hyphen R. Hyphen R means if we have read permission, we can read the data. Same. Just try it. Same thing. Just try this program. Try the script. It will work. Okay. Now file the display the content. Only this line extra. That's it. No need to do anything. Hyphen R means read permission. I am checking whether this file have read permission or not. If this file is read permission, then cat space file name. That's it. I hope you got it right. Clear? Now file check whether this empty file or not. So if you want to check empty file, so how to check empty file? Hyphen S. What is the test we need to pass? Hyphen S. Where is this hyphen S? Hyphen S. It returns true if file is non-empty. If you want to check whether that file is empty or not. So empty or not. See here. Now see, I am writing one. See. Same thing. VI, Okay, file empty dot sh file. Insert hash exclamation slash bash bin/bash. Okay. Now read hyphen p path. Enter file name. I'm giving so file file name, f name, whatever you want. That is the variable name, right? I am giving f name is file name. Next, now how to check if first we need to check, right, whether it is available or not. Dollar hyphen e dollar f name. Okay. Next, then okay. Next again if check. Next what we need to check? We need to check whether file it is dollar f name. That's it. Then okay. Next again if one more if. How to check? S hyphen S hyphen S dollar f name f name. Then that's it. Hmm. If it is non-empty, what is this hyphen S means? File is non-empty. So if file is non-empty, what is the action? What you need to do? So if non-empty means what you need to do? So now check it. Non-empty means is not a empty file. We want to print something, not a empty file. Not a empty file. If it is not empty file, for example, I want to print echo echo file empty empty and cat dollar. I am using a content. I want to display content dollar f name. Okay. Now, so whatever you want, we can write it. So else, if you want, we can print. So else part whatever you want, we can print it. So this is the first, right? So else, okay. What you want to do? Else echo whatever you will print. What you are is this is a non-empty, not empty. This is the empty file. I am giving same thing. Next, this is closed, right? So here fi and one more. If you want, we can write whatever you want. We can write, or we can close here also fi and one more if fi. If you want to, we can write else part also. Now simply I'm printing, that's it. So this is the started here, I closed here. This if statement started here, I closed here. This if statement started here, I closed here. So if you want to, we can write multiple else part also. Just I'm checking file is existing or not. It is regular file or not. It is non-empty or not. If it is non-empty and I want to print the data, that's it. Colon x slash bin slash bash space fem dot sh file. Now I am using also devapps.txt. Now see here, file is non-empty and the cat command I use, right? It is printing the data. Now I am using so one more file. ll is there any test.txt file is there? Any empty file? Sample.log. SAMPLE sample.log. I don't have any data. This is empty file. Now see here, run this file. So SAM sample.log file. I don't have any data. See, file is empty. File is empty. So like this, if you want to check, these are the test options we can pass. Clear? Clear, Karthik? So these are the very, very important. So mostly we are using hyphen E, hyphen F, hyphen D, and so hyphen R. And so if it is any, if you want to check that is linked file remind all option only. So read means if you want to write, and these are the mostly we are using. So hyphen E, hyphen F, hyphen D. These are the mostly we are using if statements, whether that file is available or not. If it is available and I want to check whether it is existing, I want to do some actions. Clear? These are the file test options. Hyphen E, it returns true if a file or directory existing. F means regular file. D means directory. And S means non-empty file. If you want to read the data, hyphen R. If you want to write the data, hyphen W. If you want to execute, hyphen X. If you want to check one or hyphen O. Clear? Hello? Okay, now see here, these are right same. I am reading two file names and comparison CMP. You know, right? Comparison means CMC. So two files already in Linux commands. Already we used same thing. How to write in shell script? CMP command comparison. If both content is true, then we are both content are true. Else we are separating. File name and display the user permissions. If you want to check user permissions and -r, then read as. If you means write as. So like this file permissions. These all are simple only. So read permission as, write permission, existing permission no. And so whatever you want, just try it. These are the practice purpose. Try all these things. Now this is the case statement. This is the case statement. So now you know, right? If condition, I hope you got some idea how to check if condition, how many if conditions we can add, simple if statement, simple if else statement, nested statement, ladder statement, and all. Now there is a case statement. Case means suppose if we have multiple options, I have multiple options. How to pick that option? See, multiple options are available. Then it is not recommended to use the if statement. I have 10 statements, sir. We are not going to use 10 if statements, sir. So here there is one more loop statement is that this is the case statement. With the help of case statement, we can easily implement that. Suppose if we have multiple options, and that case mostly we should go for case statement. Mostly we should go for case statement. See, it increase the length of the code and reduce the so readability also. So to handle such type of requirement, we should go for case statement. I have multiple options, sir. I have multiple options. Suppose if you want to select multiple options and this is not, if is not suitable, and that case we should go for case statement. That case we should go for case statement. Now how it will work? So like this, sir. See here, simple. So here I am passing some number. If I select, see here 10 statement, here 10 options. So here we given 10 options and so I given 0 to 9. I read that number. In 0 to 9, if you pass any one number, based on this your input, it is pick that particular option. Particular option. Now got it. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. So see here, if I give 3, 3 means it will go and check 3 and it is printing echo 3. Suppose if I give 7, it will go and pick only 7 option. If I give number is 2, it will come directly in this part based on your input. So read -p, enter any digit 0 to 9. I am passing some digit 0 to 9. Based on this, if you pass 5, directly it will come to case $n means it will come 5 in. Where is in the 5? So come to directly it is come to here and it will print so echo 5. Suppose if I am not passing 0 to 9, so by this is the default statement. This is the default statement. Star echo please enter digits. Can you try this one? So simply if we have multiple options, if we have multiple options, so which is the suitable? Case statement is the suitable compared to if statement. Okay. So now same thing come to here. VI, VI, VI. What is this? This is the case, right? Case t case dot sh file. Okay, insert. Same if we have multiple options, how it will work? As explanatory mark /bin /bash. Okay, read dynamically. I am read the data. Read -p path. Enter number. Enter number 0 to 9 only. We have to pass also 0 to 9 only. 9 only. 0 to 9. I am giving for a user endpoint user. For user understanding purpose, I am giving 9 only. Here I have given so read -p means n, whatever you want. Okay. Now this is the syntax. So how to, if we have multiple options, we have to give this is the syntax. See here. So this is the syntax. Where is that case statement? This is the syntax. So case variable name in. Case variable name in. This is the syntax. We have to remember this line. We have to remember this line. Case variable name in. This is the syntax. So now I am see here case variable name. How to read that variable n in? Okay. So in now this is the option. If it is zero, suppose I am passing zero. Suppose if I am passing zero, what I need to do? So I want to print something. I want to print something. See here echo echo. This is the zero. Just we are passing for understanding purpose. Next, double semi. This is the syntax. Now I am using one. See here, echo. Just I am printing one. This is your wish, guys. Whatever you want, we can pass it. Now to so multiple options. Just understand. Okay. T double O two. Okay. Now, if you want to close it, if you want to close, this is the default. This is the star. Echo, please enter 0 to 9 only. Please enter. This is the, I am giving only 3 for your understanding purpose. Echo 1 to 2 only. Here I given only 2 only. Whatever you want, we can pass it. Okay. Whatever you want, we can pass it. Now, how to close that one? This is the E case, right? Reverse. You need to end the case if you want to close it. If you want to close it, so how to this ESAC? How you are closing if statement, right? FI, IF, right? If IF means FI, your case means if you want to close the case statement. If you want to close the case statement, reverse. Type the case reverse. So now end of the case. Now see here escape colon x. Now I'm giving so slash bin slash bash. Okay, dot slash t case file name dot ss file. Now it is asking enter number 0 to 9. This is a echo statement, right? Same it will. For example, I given 2. So what it is printing here? 2 only it is printed. For example, I given 1. What it is given? See here case statement. 1. It is pick particular case. Suppose if I give 0, what it is picking? 0 only. Now I am giving 5. Now I am giving 5. Did I match any 5? 6 I given. Is there any case 6? Karthik?
No, sir.
No. Now it is coming. Please enter 1 to 2 only. 1 to 2 only. So like this, if we have multiple options and which is the suitable case statement is the best. Now we can write whatever we want. We can write whatever we want like this same. So whatever you want, so we can write. Whatever you want, so we can write. See here, 3. Same. If 3 is match, echo, what actions you want to do? For your understanding purpose, here I given some, only I printed that one. Okay. Suppose if you want this like this, we can add. So like this, we can add. So if we have multiple options, which is the suitable case is the suitable. Compare if. Now please enter. Now I am updating. Please enter only 0 to 4. I am giving a 0 to 4. These are the echo statements, right? Whatever you want, we can update. Whatever you want, we can update. See here 4 colon x. So that case we go for say I am giving 3. So now I am giving 4. Number 4. It will print 4. So suppose if I give more than 4, see please enter 0 to 4. I given 7. See here, please enter only 1 to 4. Only 1 to 4. So that case we should go for a case statement. See here, this is a syntax. Only one line you need to remember. This and all syntax only. So whatever we want, we can add. These are the multiple options. If we have multiple options, That case we should go for this one. Remaining same only, all are same pattern. Please see character. If you pass any character, see here I am passing one character. CH, the variable name is CH, A to Z or Z to A, capital letter, it is alphabetic symbol. If I pass 0 to 9, this is the digits. If you pass any special character, now see here, this is the special symbol. Same thing. If you want to check, you can check it. This all are practice purpose already. Now, so this is the iterative statements. Important. Iterative means I want to do some actions continuously up to that loop is executing. Group of state commands. See here, iterative statements. While loop, until loop, for loop. While loop, until loop, for loop. See, if you want to execute group of commands multiple times, so multiple times. So if you want to print multiple times means so how it will work. So if you go to here, let's find. If you go to here, multiple times same loop. For example, I want to print. I want to print so 1 to 10. So I want to print so 1 to 10. So same thing, right? So first I need to print 2, 3 like this. See, so that case mostly we go for while loop, until loop or for loop. See, if you want to execute group of commands multiple times, I want to execute one command multiple times. So that case we should go for anyone. While loop, until loop, or loop. While loop, until loop, or loop. Whichever you want, we can use it. That is based on your requirement. We can use anyone. Now see here, while loop, this is the syntax. While means this is the syntax. While condition do body done. This is the syntax. In same C, Java, .NET, anywhere, same syntax. But one or two lines it will change. Okay, see, if you don't know the number of iterations in the advance, then we should go for a loop. See, this is the syntax. While condition do body done. That's it. Now see here. Here they given I equal to 1 while I less than. What is LE means less than 10. Echo print let plus plus and done. So how many times it will execute? Less than. 1 less than 10, true. 2 less than 10, true. 3 less than 10, true. 4 less than 10, true. Up to 9 less than 10, true. 10 less than true, 10. Clear? Karthik. Last statement. 10 less than 10. True or false? Last statement. 10 less than 10. True or false?
false.
False. So false. So now that case it will come to here and it will exit from the loop. So same thing, we can print same 1 to 10 numbers we can print, we can use while statement, we can use for statement, we can use until statement. So different ways we can use whatever we want, we can use it. But this is the syntax, while condition, this is your condition, this is your action, and this is the do started here, do ended here. See here. So if you want to execute, if you don't know number of iterations, I don't know how many iterations. So that case mostly we go for while loop. Now see here how it will work. So vi okay while dot sh insert. So these all are we need to practice. Easily we can understand slowly one by one. One day we cannot learn all these things. Okay, read. If you want to read any numbers also, we can read. But anyway, this is very simple, right? So they given what is this? So they taken one variable I equal to 1. Initial I equal to 1. So this is the condition. While this is the condition. So what condition? Dollar $i. This is a variable, right? Hyphen LE less than or equal to. LE means less than or equal to. LE means LT means less than, right? Here they are using less than or equal to. So whatever you want, we can use. So less than or equal to or less than. Okay. I am giving here. So 5. Now, this is the statement do. Okay, echo. I want to print. Which value you want to print? I value. Dollar I. Dollar I. And right, what is let? In the last class we discussed, right? Let expression and so square brackets next. There is last class we discussed these things, right? Ex, PR expression, let, this one, and this one. For arithmetic operation, we can use these three, these four. We can use any one. I hope you got it right. Clear, Karthik? For arithmetic operation, we can use these many
Yes, sir.
ways. Expression we can use, let also we can use, square brackets also we can use, parenthesis, whatever you want we can use. Same I am using a let here. That is your wish. So there is no rule. We have to use only let and R. Okay. I am increasing I value. Okay. Now done. Now done. That's it. Now done. See here, I equal to 1, while I less than. First initial value 1. 1 less than or equal to 5. True or false? True. True means it is printing I value, increasing the I plus plus. Done. Again it will go to here. Increase, right? Increment. I equal to 2. See here, like this it will print. Already anyway I printed, right? Now we can easily understand. Control X. Now see here, bin bash slash while dot sh5. Now see here, first I value 1. Now I plus plus I value 2. 2 less than or equal to 5, true. 3 less than or equal to 5, true. 4 less than or equal to 5, true. 5 less than or equal to 5, true. Next it will increment it, 6. 6 less than or equal to true. 6 less than or equal to, what is I given? 5, right? 5. False, right? Now it will come the loop, exit from the loop. Any doubt here? Now go to here. Now see here. Here I have given 20. So here I given 20. Here I given. Here I given so 10. So now how many times it will execute? 11 times it is checking. 5 times it is true. Sorry, 10, 11 times. 5, 10 times it is true. So 10 times it will print. Last time it will exit from the loop. So 10 less than equal to 10, true. It will print the value. Now I plus plus, I means 11. 11 less than or equal to 10, true or false?
False, sir.
False. Now it will exit from the loop. Now it will exit from the loop. That is the condition. While condition, do, action, whatever you want, we can write here. And at the end, so done. Now see, escape, colon, X. See here, what is this? Something missing. What is missing? While think here printed
Sir,
something. Insert. Here it is printed as then. Here. What is 10, right? 10 echo 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 I value dollar I and let I plus plus. Okay. Anything missing? Now clear, right? Do, where is do? Do is also missing here. Syntax do. Without do, it won't work. Do started, done. Do done. Escape, colon, exit. Insert, escape, colon, exit. Okay. Now execute this one. Now see here, it will execute 10 times. Last time only it will fail. So this is the very simple syntax. Okay. If you understand syntax, remaining same only. Now next class we'll see break statement and for loop and all we'll see continuous statement, what is break statement, how it will work. Clear, Karthik? Just
Yes, sir,
practice it.
please.
This is very simple only. But file test options is very, very important. In interview also, one or two people asked how to check whether file is available or not. So that and all. Okay.